Hi ladies and guys. So today, after discussing the methodology of finding derivative using definition method, we are today here to apply that methodology to find the derivative of the functions. The first one is we will start with a simple one, and then we will go gradually to some challenging problems. So let's start the first one. That is, we have given f of x is x square. It's a simple problem. So by using the methodology, first step, we'll find first of all f of x plus delta x. So we can write it as f of x plus delta x. This x is replaced by x plus delta x, and this will also become x plus delta x raised to power 2. So if this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, then in the second step we are going to simplify equation number 2 minus equation number 1. This will imply us f of x plus delta x minus f of x is equal to, right hand side, x plus delta x whole square minus x square. Now we have to simplify this. This implies f of x plus delta x minus f of x is equal to, this whole square can be written as x square plus 2x delta x plus delta x square minus x square. Now from here you can see that this minus x square is cancelled with this x square. Rest we will get 2x delta x plus delta x square, which is equal to, delta x is over here common, so it can be written as delta x into 2x plus delta x in the bracket. Now in the third step we have learned that dividing both sides by delta x. So now when we divide both sides, we will get f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by this delta x is equal to delta x into 2x plus delta x divided by this del x. Now from here this del x is very easily cancelled. Left rest we will get 2x plus delta x. Now in the last step we have to apply limit. Taking limit, as delta x tends to 0, we will get limit f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by this delta x as delta x tends to 0, and this is equal to limit to this right hand side 2x plus delta x as delta x tends to 0. Now here you can see that this whole factor which is on the left hand side, it can be written as f dash x, and over here when we apply this limit it will become 2x plus 0. Therefore f dash x will be equal to 2x, and this is our answer. So it's a very simple and easy question that we have solved it. Now we will go a little bit slightly higher, for higher level, little bit tough, not very much tough. Example next is, we have given f of x is equal to x under root at point x is equal to a. So given f of x is equal to x under root. Now by applying the first step, f of x plus delta x can be written as x plus delta x whole under root. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So in the second step, what we will do, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. This implies on the left hand side f x plus delta x minus f of x is equal to, see over here, x plus delta x whole square whole under square root minus x under root. Now this is a very implicit type of expression. So what we can do it over here, let's see, in the left hand side, f of x plus delta x minus f of x is equal to, okay, once I will write it as the same one, x plus delta x under root minus x under root. Now what I do, I will rationalize this function. I will multiply this expression by the same one, x plus delta x under root. Over here it will again x under root. If here it is minus, I will multiply it by this plus sign, and at the same time I will divide the same fraction by the same fraction, because we can't change anything from our own side. So in the same expression we multiply it by x plus delta x under root plus x under root and divide with the same factor. Now this can be written as, when I multiply this with this is a minus b, a plus b. So by the application of a plus b into a minus b, we can write it as x plus delta x under root whole square minus x under root whole square and divided by the same fraction, x plus delta x whole under root plus x under root. It can be written as, this square root will be cancelled by this square, x plus delta x minus this square root of x will be cancelled by this square, so it will require minus x divided by x plus delta x under root plus x under root. Now here this minus x is cancelled with this x, rest we get delta x over x plus delta x whole under root plus x under root. Now in the third step, what we have learned in our methodology, that we can dividing by delta x. What will happen? F of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x, and it will be equal to delta x over x plus delta x under root plus x under root, and we have to divide this right hand statement with delta x as well, because we have divided here, we also will divide here. Now from here in this side, you can see this delta x is cancelled with this delta x, and now we will get f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x is equal to 1 over x plus delta x under root plus x under root. In the last step now, we will apply limit, taking limit as delta x approaches to 0. What we will get? Limit f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x as delta x tends to 0. And on the other side we will again apply the same one, limit delta x tends to 0, and rest it will be 1 over x plus delta x under root plus x under root. This will become 1 over x plus this delta x will become 0 plus x under root, which is equal to 1 over x under root plus x under root, and this is finally you will get 1 over 2 x under root. Now we have to find this left hand expression is equal to f dash x. So f dash x we have to find at x is equal to a. So this will be equal to 1 over 2, and at place of x we will write a, and this is our question. So students, I hope these two examples you have understood easily, and there will be no problem for you. Please keep on watching our channel khanmaths.com, and stay with us for many more videos in future. Tell your friends as well. We'll be back after a short break. Thank you.